Walking through the garden, what will we see? Walking through the garden, come and learn with me. My name is Miss Maz. I live in Australia. Let's do some outdoor learning. What can you hear? What can you see? I hear a rooster close to me. This is Rava the rooster. He's a silky bantam rooster. He has feathers over his whole body. And he has beautiful strong legs. And feathers on his feet. This is the spur on the back. Very sharp claws. He has a comb on top of his head and a strong beak to help him speak. These parts down here, they're called wattles. Can you see some other things on the rooster? Yes, he's got 2 eyes. There's one eye. And on the other side is his other eye. Rava the rooster has 2 wings. Rava the rooster also has a beautiful big tail. I'm going to show you how you can make a rooster tail soon, and then we're going to sing a song about it. This is Rava's son, Rava Jr. He's also a rooster. Look, he has feathers all over his body too, but they're a little bit different to his dad's. A little bit different in colour. He also has the feathers on his feet, the comb, a beak, and the wattles. Let's hear the syllables in the word rooster. Syllables are like the beats in a word. Rooster. Can you clap it with me? Rooster. That was 2 syllables. We're going to spell the word rooster. What's that first sound? Can you hear it? Rooster. Say it slowly. Rooster. I can hear is the letter R. R for rooster. Let's hear all the sounds in the word rooster. S, T, Let's put them together. Slide through the sounds. Rooster. Rooster. This rooster's name is Batman. He is also one of Rava's children. He has very black feathers. Still lots of smooth feathers on his tummy. Have a look at his wings. He has black and gold feathers. This is a rooster. Can you see? I have a silky bantam rooster here with me. He can be very loud. He's got this beautiful bit on the front of his face. How many roosters can we see? There is 1 rooster with me. This is a baby rooster. His name is Fluffy. Look at his beautiful soft feathers. He's got these strong legs. little wings. He's got a strong beak that helps him speak. And his comb is growing. Let's get crafty. We are going to make a rooster headpiece and a rooster tail. Cisco is already wearing his. To make these, you are going to need some feathers if you have any, some sticky tape or a stapler, some scissors, which means you're going to need some adult help, and some pieces of paper. It doesn't matter if there are some long and some short, because we're going to have different lengths. You will need at least one long one for your waist, or you can sticky tape it together. Let's start with our waistband. So I've got my long piece of paper, which I sticky taped together. I'm going to check that it fits around my waist. And then I'm going to stick my paper. I'll put my colours down. I've got a pink, a green, and a yellow. I'm going to have another green and a blue and a yellow. This is going to be a rainbow rooster tail. And then we're going to do a rooster dance. I'm going to add some feathers. This one is a guinea fowl feather. We'll learn about them in another episode. And there we have it, our rooster tail. So I can stick it on the back, around my body. There we go, my rooster tail. Now, I'm going to make the headpiece. So I need to check that the paper will fit around my head and I'm going to make a rainbow rooster headpiece. I've got pink, purple, green on my long strip of paper and some red and orange. And now it's going onto my head, around the back, and I'm going to sticky tape it in place. Ooh, this is definitely somewhere where you might need an adult to help you. It's a bit tricky. I've got my rooster headpiece and my rooster tail, just like Batman. But his isn't rainbow, is it? No, mine's lots of bright colours, just like what you can make at home. Let's sing a rooster song and do a rooster dance. I hope you're wearing your rooster headpiece and your rooster tail. Cisco is still wearing his. Here we go. I can be a rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo. I wonder if you can try it too. With a hand on my head, acts as a comb. I can use strong legs to help me roam. I can be a rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo. I wonder if you can be one too. With a hand in my mouth that acts as a beak, I can use a loud voice to help me speak. Cock-a-doodle-doo! I wonder if you can try it too. I can be a rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. I wonder if you can try it too. My arms can be wings that help me fly. Goodbye. Thanks for walking through the garden with me. I wonder next time what we might see, what we might hear. The Roosters and I would like to say goodbye. And we can't wait to see you next time for some more outdoor learning. Like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Can you see that? It's growing in my garden. It's one of my favourite fruits. I'll give you a clue. It's green up the top and yellow on its body. And it's delicious. You'll have to find out by watching the next episode for some more outdoor learning.